Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making Juju, a soft sweet which we enjoyed during our childhood. I'm using water, gelatin, red food coloring, rose flavor and white sugar. I'll prepare the gelatin first, pour that into a bowl, then add half cup water, stir, set it aside. In a saucepan, add 1 cup sugar, a half cup water, stir that, turn on the flame, make sure that's high, and once it starts bubbling, turn that down to medium high. Cover the saucepan and allow that to sit for maybe about 10 to 12 minutes, then check for a soft ball consistency. So here I'm checking for a soft ball consistency. I'll take some of the mixture, put that in ice cold water and pull it together to see if I get a soft ball. So here's a soft ball. As you can see, it's now time to add the gelatin. Pour the gelatin into the saucepan, stir briskly, turn the flame down to medium low, add the cream of tartar and rose flavor, and then turn off the flame and add the red food coloring, maybe about 2 drops. Stir and notice that there is foam on top, so I'm going to have to skim that using a spoon. Then pour that into a greased container and use a toothpick to remove the rest of the foam. Allow that to cool for about 24 hours. Then use a knife to help to pull the gummy mixture away from the sides, and then turn that onto a board that has a small amount of sugar sprinkled onto it. Then sprinkle a small amount of sugar on top of that, and then cut along the length using a hot knife. Then cut small blocks, sprinkle with sugar, and set that aside for at least 1 week. So let us check our Juju. There you have it. Our Juju is ready. It's spongy, and if you pull it apart, you notice that it's gummy. Very tasty soft sweet that we had during our childhood. This video is dedicated to Baillie, Alex and Baillie. It was created by her daughter, Baillie. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.